What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get a free YouTube intro just like the one shown now, plus many others. I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Alright guys, so what you're going to need to do first is click the link in the description, which will bring you across to panzoid.com, and it should take you to a website similar to this. And pretty much this website allows you to edit other people's templates and change it to the way you want it to look. And it's all done online, so you don't need any software whatsoever, and it's free. So I'm just going to go ahead and click a template that I'm wanting to edit. So I'm going to use this one. I think I've used this in some of my videos. So go ahead and click it. Then this will come up, and click the button where it says Open in Clip Maker. Now basically this is where you'll do all your editing, and it's, like I said, all online. And sometimes it may take a while for the actual to be able to see what's happening over here, so it takes a while to load. So as you see, I've got the same intro in some of my videos, so we're just going to go ahead and edit that now. So let's go ahead to this button over here and make sure the resolution is right. So change it to whatever you make your videos in, so whether it's 2K, 4K, I'm just going to stick on the normal HD, the normal 1920 by 1080p. Then you can see the length of the clip, how long it will be, and the frame rate. So we're going to keep that all just as it is. And then you're going to need to go to objects over here, and we're going to click on the group where it says text. So let's see here. So we're going to need to edit the texture because right now it says your name. So let's go down to here. Let's change this. Just click on it, go over here, and where it says name we're going to just put tech. And as you can see, it's changed. Then we're going to change the top part, and we're just going to put Dalshy over here. Just like that. Click away. And the music and everything fits with the intro very well, with all the movements. So we're going to keep it just like that, just for the purpose of this tutorial. So to preview that, if you just push play, it's going to look like that. So let's bring this right to the beginning so we can view it from the start. See? Okay, so to preview what the video will look like properly, you're going to need to click on this little R. Then push play. Alright, so that's basically all that we need. You're able to change the font and many other things, the positioning, rotation, scale, but this person set this template up very well where the music kind of goes with all the movements, and yeah, it looks pretty good. So what you're going to need to do next is go ahead to download. Here's your render settings. I normally keep it on good quality because if you put it on extreme it normally takes quite a bit of time. But don't say fastest render because the quality won't be as good. Then you go ahead and put it to your format. So I think I normally keep it on .mkv. Then you say start video render. Okay, so now the rendering part has been completed, so you just go ahead and click download your video. And this is usually really quick. As you can see, it was only 7.8 megabytes. So now once that's done, go ahead to your downloads folder or wherever your downloads go to, and you can pull that clip right into your video editor and it will work. Alright, so I hope this was helpful for you and you are able to go ahead and make your own intros and outros. It's pretty cool. You do not need any software like I said before. And yeah, if it was helpful, then I would absolutely appreciate it if you could drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Till the next video guys, cheers.